Hope you liked that little video. What I installed is a new relay. I took the OEM original Honda relay. These things are over $100. They do have a high tendency of failure. I haven't had an issue with mine, so I'm going to keep this as a spare just in case I need to revert back to it. But the other thing is, the relay I put in it is a 5-pin Bosch relay with an additive kill switch. So with that switch off or on, the fuel pump will cut off or on. So if it's not engaged, and it deters people, because if the fuel pump's not coming in, they're not having a crank issue, they're kind of just going to walk away from it because it's a lot of troubleshooting at that point. I did hide mine. I'm not going to tell you guys where it's at for security reasons. Hopefully you enjoy this quick video. It is really simple. It's a nice little add-on to add to your 90s Hondas to slow down a theft in your vehicle. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. If you want to be back for more, I still have more content to do. Hit that subscribe button. With all that being said, have a great day and God bless.